All right, guys, we're back in the shop. I just got something really sweet. Let me show you what it is. This clip is from yesterday, from when we got them. All right, we just picked up these wheelers here. I don't think it'll take too much to get at least that one going. This one is gonna take a lot more. First off, the carb is missing the top of the carb, throttle cable, everything. So, and this one is blown up, I'm pretty sure. Very low compression, just very low and easy compression. So that's a problem there. But what I might do is take the carb throttle off of this one and I'll put it on this guy right here. It's a lot better. There we go. Super stoked. Let's do it. Here we are. It's the next day. We got these guys last night. Drove all the way out to the middle of nowhere, Colorado. Picked them up. Now we're back here. I'm not quite sure what year this one is. It might be either a 82 or an 83. I know this one is an 82. It's an 82 because it says it on the side. Anyways, this is the one that I think we're gonna have the best chance at getting running. This guy right here. It's the nicest one out of them all. All right, we got it in the shop and figured out what this is. It says on the side right here, it's a 1982 ATC 110. So it has some problems for sure. We're gonna take off the gas tank, clean it out. We gotta figure out that pull start, why it's not engaging correctly. And then also we have the exhaust kind of just hanging there. So we gotta figure that out. And we don't have a chain. So it needs quite a bit of work, but I'm excited. So let's get working on it. Pull starter off. Nice thing about having three different three-wheelers that are the same thing, to get parts right away. And this looks really clean, and it works how it's supposed to too. We'll throw this on real fast. A little starting fluid in there. Wants to go. All right, now I'm gonna get the chain on and everything else put back together. So this exhaust here is all bent on the end there, so it won't seat in right, and it's all cracked and broken right there. Luckily, this is basically a parts machine. We have a second one, and this one has low compression. There's like no resistance really, maybe just a little bit, but pretty much nothing. What we're gonna do for this one is we're gonna take the exhaust off of this guy. We're gonna get it on the one that's pretty good. I just got the exhaust off of this guy and put it back on the one that we're trying to get working. So put that exhaust back on. We're probably gonna fix this eventually, but for now, these two are just both parts donors for this guy. All right, we got the exhaust installed. There's just 3 bolts. This bolt right here, you kind of just gotta like twist the exhaust and get it up, come right out through there. So 1 bolt there that goes all the way through, and then you just bolt the 2 right up here to the engine. So yeah, we got the exhaust put on. I'll put some vinegar and some nuts and bolts in here. Try to help you with that. It's pretty bad in there, so we're gonna fill some water in there. Try to help it out a little bit. Alright. Good. Oh, it's getting better. Alright, so I cleaned up the tank, got it all put on here. Washed it out with some vinegar to get some of that rust out, and then put it on, got the fuel flowing. So I was pulling it a bunch of times trying to get it to start, and it wasn't getting fuel or something like that. So I was like, okay, let me loosen the bolt on the bottom of the carb, so that way it can drain out this hose. It's like a brownish color, so definitely needs a carb clean. So what we're gonna do next is pull off that carb. Definitely an aftermarket carb too, not original. So let's pull off the carb, clean it up, let's get back to it. Carb opened up, I just cleaned it out. It was decently dirty. No jets were clogged though, but it did definitely have some bad gas in it. So now we're gonna get it thrown back on and hopefully get some new gas flowing and get this thing running. I did a lot of tuning on the carb, got it running. Definitely have an oil leak, so we gotta figure that out, but I definitely gotta tune it a lot more. Whenever I give it gas, it wants to bog out, so we're still not doing good. So we gotta fix a couple things, but let's do it. So I ended up replacing the camshaft bearing in the CDI. That keeps oil from getting into the CDI because that's what controls the spark. I ended up messing it up a little bit. Now it's not getting spark at the right time. So I got to fix it. Don't know what's wrong with it. Don't know why it's not getting spark. Someone mentioned that it could be the air gap could be off and it's not getting it at the correct time. And the timing could be off. So I'm going to check all those things. Hopefully I can get it working. If you guys have any ideas, any tips, any knowledge about these machines that you can help me out a lot, that would be awesome. See you guys later.